Right now, we are just a few months away from that 90-degree heat and jumping in the pool, depending on your definition of what few is. But Mandan Parks leaders are trying to get more people to think about warmer days ahead. And as part of Cyber Monday, Mandan Parks is selling Raging Rivers passes for next season for just $90. It's a one-day only deal. Tomorrow they'll go up to $120, and for the regular season they're $150. Season passes include access to the Lazy River, tube, and speed slides, as well as the Aqua Play unit. The water park plans to open next season around May 31st, weather dependent.